Hey there, fellow road warriors! Ever found yourself in the middle of nowhere with a bike hiccup? Watch this video till the end because we're going to show you what steps to take if this happens to you. Firstly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming travel adventures. Before you rev your bike, here are basic pre-ride checks that can save you from a roadside nightmare. Alright, road warriors. Here are the major checks you'd perform before going on the road trip. Check the tire pressure and tread depth. Low pressure can cause instability, while worn treads will cause loss of grip on wet roads. Number 2. Ensure your engine oil and brake fluids are topped up. Low fluids can lead to engine overheating or seizure and brake failure. Number 3. Test your headlights, brake lights and turn signals. Remember, proper lights are a lifesaver and a must. Number 4. Squeeze those brake clutch levers to ensure they're firm and responsive. If they feel spongy or take longer to engage, then it's time for a checkup. Number 5. Check for proper lubrication and tension in the bike chain. A loose or dry chain can affect bike's performance, and obviously nobody wants a broken chain in the middle of nowhere. Now let's fast forward to that dreaded moment where your bike throws a curveball in the middle of nowhere. Park your bike safely aside. Look for any obvious signs of trouble. If there are any loose or disconnected wires, inspect the fuel tank to ensure there's enough fuel. Inspect the fuel line and filter for blockages. If there's debris in there, it could resist the fuel flow to carburetor. If there's any fuel-related issue, try switching fuel petcock to off mode and then turning on. Check the battery connections for tightness and signs of corrosion. If you have a multimeter, you can check the battery voltage. This would give you the idea about battery condition. Try starting the bike in neutral and with the choke. Sometimes a richer fuel mixture can help with the starting. Inspect the spark plug to see if it's worn out or fouled. A fouled spark plug can resist proper ignition. Take out the air filter and check whether it's dirty or not. Clogged filter can resist the airflow to the engine. In some cases, you may need to arrange for towing if on-spot repair isn't possible. If the engine cranks but doesn't start, then it could mean there's an engine issue. In that case, don't hesitate to seek assistance or call roadside emergency contact. If you've got a flat tire, follow these basic steps. Remove the tire if necessary and take out the tube. Locate the puncture by listening for air hissing out. Find and remove the object causing the puncture. Use puncture repair kit to plug the hole. Put the tube back in and use your knees to adjust it. Inflate as per required pressure using hand pump. Remember, troubleshooting on the road requires calmness and patience. There you have it, fellow riders. The art of motorcycle maintenance, simplified and demystified. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel, 'cause I would be taking you out on my next travel destination very soon. Until next time, ride safe and ride on.